So this is the Whitestone Dome Glass. They guys actually sent me these two samples for my Galaxy Note 9. People say that this is the best screen protector you can get for your phone. We'll find out in a moment. Alright, so once you've got everything going, I'd already started this, but put the phone into the bottom cradle. Take your moist towelette again, because you just seen me clean it once already. What are you whispering in the back?
You're so creepy.
I'm creepy now. So you take your towelette and you wipe down all this, and then you take your dry towelette and you dry this off. Make sure you get right down in those edges as well. There's nothing worse than having crap in your crevice. Anyway, trusty dust remover. I'm actually reusing the one I used a minute ago, just the other side of it, because there was nothing on it. And it's a shame to waste two for no reason. Rocks a little bit as well, so sorry about the noise, but hey, what can I do? Oh, and I'm sorry about the sound quality if it's a bit echoey. I'm in a Motel 6 right now in Georgetown, Kentucky. So the acoustics aren't exactly the greatest here, but let's wipe this down again. See some smudge marks from where that dried. And we'll just go over this one more time quick. Alright. I see another smudge. Alright. I think we're pretty good. Pretty smudge free. And if I'm not, I'll have to live with it. Deal with it. Anyway. So, next it says to put the adhesive, this little T-shaped thing, I've shown you this before. Put this over the speaker, like so. That stops any of the adhesive from getting in there on it. Alright, so after you've got your phone all clean and everything, I've just got a couple of specks of dust on mine again. This is probably the toughest part of it, making sure your screen is all pristine enough for this, otherwise you're going to get some really irritating little marks under your glass. So, next thing to do, you take the top part of the cradle, this is where those white absorption pads go, and this just literally, helps if I'm doing it the right way around, but it says here speaker, speaker, N9, N9, it's impossible to match it up incorrectly. Make sure that's down nice and tight, done. Then what you do, you take your little mushroom, or as the pin they call it, and put that in the hole there, and that's that. Then what you want to do is you take your cradle, and you take your adhesive. The first cap you remove is the red one. Don't panic, because it's not going to pour out when you turn it upside down. That's what the black cap's for. It's being held in there by that. One last quick check, no dust, don't see any. Ooh, I see one tiny speck. Come here, you little bugger. There you go, got rid of him. Then what you're going to do, you're going to crack this. And this is when the magic happens. If you can see under my hand, I don't know whether you can, but there goes the adhesive. It's moving down right now. So, yeah, let that empty out. A couple more drops on there, nothing major. So, yeah, there you go. Once you're finished with this, let's give it a tap, make sure that last little bit comes off. You can remove the bridge that helps you with the adhesive. And then you get, I'm gonna have to do this, I'm sorry, but because my crane is way out of whack, but let's put that there like that for now. Then what you do, your tempered glass comes in this little plastic bag. It's actually inside the cradle. When you get it, you remove this plastic tab, but be careful, don't get dust on it, don't get fingerprints on it, otherwise you are going to be pissed. So what you do, you line that up. Doesn't matter about fingerprints on the front. So, and then we're going to just press down, or in my case I'm just going to do this. Now when it's touched, that's when you remove this pin. Let me move my adhesive back up here. There you go. Oh, my actual screen protector just moved. So you got to wait 80 seconds. You can see it's fully covered on this side. We'll be back in a second. You see it's filling in all the gaps. We'll be back. Alright, so it says to wait about 80 seconds. We're about that into it. So this is where the magic happens with this thing. So, as you can see, there's this. Bring this, there you go, it's more centered for you. So, using my hyperdrive plugged into my MacBook Pro. There's the White Dome Glass. This is the UV light. So, it's kind of cool. This, we're just going to rest it on the top for 15 seconds and then on the lower half for 15 seconds. So I'm going to turn this on now. There you go, you can see it lights up. So we're going to rest it on this top half for 15 seconds. That's 15, and now the bottom half, where the home button would be, another 15 seconds from now. Alright, so that was simple enough. Next stage. Alright, so the final stage of this is 60 seconds on the top, 60 seconds on the bottom with the phone removed from the cradle. Again, real simple. Let's click it on. It's got legs. We just do that with it. Alright, so there it is, all installed, the dome glass. As you can see, nothing wrong with the sensitivity. It works just fine. Doesn't affect anything whatsoever. Gives you the curved screen protection. It's nice the way it juts down so it doesn't affect your speaker or your selfie camera. So it's not going to get any way of that whatsoever. I've got a couple of little dots under here that look like air bubbles. Hopefully they'll disappear tomorrow. It does happen sometime with screen protectors. But yeah, overall I'm quite impressed. It's a tank, let's say, when it comes to a screen protector. And the way you have to install it, you know that it ain't going to go on crooked. So yeah, this is the Whitestone Dome. I'll take some photos for you in a moment and you can watch them at the end so you can see if you like it. Alright, thanks guys.